And what's up?
Hey, what's up, Learning Land? Ukulele Cheats, Tyler from TenThumbs Pro. Happy to bring you this collaboration. We're breaking down Stand By Me, as you can tell. I'm going to be doing the advanced rhythm section of this, so you can catch that on my channel.
And I'm going to be showing you how to play the solo that I just played, which you can see on my channel. So I don't know on which channel you're watching the intro. If you're watching on my channel this intro, go to Tyler's channel to see the rhythm. If you're watching on Tyler's channel, you can go to my channel to see the solo.
All right, so we're gonna jump into it. Also, I'd appreciate it if you're one of my subscribers and you're just learning about Ukulele Cheats, subscribe over there, and vice versa. If you're a viewer over there, come on over to us. We're both gonna have some extra information on Patreon too. Wink, wink, cheaper than a cheap cheeseburger. Go over there and accelerate your learning as well. All right? So, without further ado, depending on where you are, we're going to start the ukulele rhythm or solo section. All you need is that ukulele, brain, and attention span. Follow us in.
Okay, so what I'm going to show you is not exactly how it is in the original recording of the song, but it's pretty close to it, and I think it sounds cool. The whole solo is played throughout 2 times the main chord progression, which means 16 bars. We'll go through each bar and what you should do on it. So the song starts with 2 bars C. Here is what I'm doing on it. A string, 3rd fret. This is where we start. And then we go on 5, 7, twice, then 5, 3, twice, 2, open. So here's it. All right, and now we have 2 bars of A minor. We start with open A string, and then 2 times A string, 2nd fret. And after that, we have O string opens, and we're doing A string, E string, C string, and then again A string open. When we're on the A string open, the last thing, we're already on the F chord. Okay? Then we're going to the G, where I'm doing E string 3rd fret, then A string 5th fret, and then on the C chord I'm starting with 5 to 7 slide like this, and again 7. Okay, so for now, slowly. C chord. A chord. F chord. G chord. C chord. Okay. And just before going on the second round to repeat the chord progression, you're doing this 3 on the E string, 3 on the A string, then 5, 7, and then we go on the C of the second time through the chord progression. We're on the 10th fret of the A string. All right, and here we have a little bit of tricky part because we need to go on 15, 17, and 19. Now I don't have the 19th fret, but if I press hard, it sounds kind of like it. Okay, so you start 10, 15, 17, 19, 17, 15 twice, 14, 12, okay, then 14 twice. And now we have this on the 12th fret, you're doing A, C, and E string. And then I'm going to C string, 9th fret. And then A string, 12th fret, 10th fret. And then I'm finishing like 10, 7, 5, 3. Okay, let's go through the second part once again. All right. And now let's go through all of the solo. That's it. All right, so thank you very much for watching this collaboration. If you dig it, make sure you tell us in the comments below, because we might meet in Bulgaria or in Colombia next time. I don't know. We'll see.
So halfway in between, I had a lot of fun doing this. Like he said, thumbs up if you like seeing us together. And if you want to see more of it, let us know in the comments below. All right? Until next time, keep on rocking and rolling.
And we'll be keeping playing.
That's right.